Hi everyone, Sherry here. I'm so excited. Today is National Soup Day. I'll be celebrating in a collab with Anna from Cooking the Books and Jim from Jim's Kitchen. We'll all be making a recipe out of the Campbell's Cooking with Soup book. My recipe is going to be beef broth with horseradish. After you watch my video, go check theirs out. The collaboration is #souperstar. And speaking of Superstar, Jim is having a birthday today. So, happy birthday, Jimmy! What all goes into the beef broth with horseradish? 1 10.5 ounce can of Campbell's condensed beef broth. I have a 10.5 can of Campbell's beef consomme. 1 cup water. 1/2 teaspoon of prepared horseradish, 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill leaves, I have dill weed, sour cream for garnish, and cucumber strips to stir the soup with. So let's begin. So turn on your heat, dump in your beef broth, the 1 cup of water, the 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish. I put in a little bit more because I like horseradish. Don't tell Dave. And the 1/2 teaspoon of the dill leaves. I've got dill weed. And stir that until it is heated through. So add a dollop of sour cream. And I wasn't expecting it to sink to the bottom. So here is the beef broth with horseradish. It is with the collaboration of #Superstar. It came out of the Campbell's Cooking with Soup book. Rounding out the meal is toasted ham and cheese sandwich and cucumber strips to stir the soup with. Let's see what Dave thinks. That is beef broth with horseradish. And you use the cucumbers to stir up the sour cream and stuff.
Okay. Never seen that done before. Something new. It's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.